Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from wherever you are watching me and what time you are listening to this. My name is Yinka Olanrewaju. I'm the principal instructor at Flourish ICT Academy. One of the reasons we started the scholarship training is because we realized a lot of people wanted to learn how to use computer. They want to even transit from just a basic computer user to more professional skill like data analyst, cyber security analyst, and so on like that. But you can't jump the class. You have to start from somewhere. They don't have the foundational knowledge. And our one-on-one training, they could not afford it. Based on a lot of feedback, we decided to start the scholarship training, which we began in the month of June. And it happened to be 100% scholarship. Students were only made to pay a token for registration fee and certificate of participation, which they will be issued at the end of the training. So the training has been going on and it's been going on smoothly. And before I go ahead with what is going to happen in August, let me allow you to listen to some of the students on what they have to say about the current cohort.
Hello everyone, my name is Udwak and I joined Flourish ICT Academy June 2026 after receiving the scholarship. I'm a type of person that didn't understand the computer, but through the training it has helped me a lot. I registered for the training because I wanted to understand the computer and also help me in my business. So with the help of the PowerPoint, it has helped me. I can present my business anywhere. So I want to encourage everyone, register for it and you will never regret. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Assurance. I joined the Flourish ICT Academy June 2026 cohort through scholarship. I'm glad I applied for this scholarship because I would love to hone my computer skills. My experience so far has been amazing because our facilitator is very patient with us and we learn at a very comfortable. The PowerPoint session has been my greatest joy because I've learned presentation, how to present your presentations in a professional manner. Thank you.
Now, the one coming forth in the month of August is the last one for the year 2026. If it is still your dream to learn how to use computer in 2026, take advantage of this. This is the last one for the year. You are going to learn a lot. Part of our curriculum is how to host a meeting or join a meeting online. We're in a digital age where things are being done online. Workplace has gone digital. So you're going to learn how to use Zoom because our training is actually live on the Zoom. You learn how to share screen, how to host a meeting, how even to set up a meeting, and the basic etiquette of online meeting. You're going to learn about file management. You're going to learn about the keyboard skills. You need to understand that. And then you're going to learn about the workplace productivity tools like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, how to present professionally. You're going to learn everything about Microsoft Excel Essential. Okay? And not only that, we also introduce our students to cloud technology and security, basic cloud technology and security. And we're going to be wrapping up the class with email and then final assessment for the student. So all of this, among others, are what you are going to learn in the August cohort. And what an opportunity to also interact with other students. You know how it is. And then you have an opportunity to ask questions from your instructors in the class. It's going to be a great time. So we are inviting you to take advantage of this August cohort. We are starting on the first Saturday in the month of August. That is August 8th. So if you want to actually join or you know someone that is struggling with computer, why not take advantage of that? Click on the link in the description section, the link below, also display on the screen. Or better still, you can drop a WhatsApp message on our official WhatsApp number display on the screen. And one of our team members will reach out to you on how to complete your registration. And if you have any question whatsoever, do well to also reach out. So this training is not limited to people in Nigeria or African countries, as we have had students across the globe. So take advantage of it wherever you are. And our training section is going to be weekends. So even if you work Monday to Friday, you are not going to have problem joining that. On Saturdays and Sunday, the Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday in the evening. So I look forward to see you in the class. Let's come together and flourish together. See you in the August 2026 cohort section. Thank you.